Come on. Come on. Put your hand flat out like this. I just got home and of course somebody's begging for food. And Logan's thinking it's pretty cool because it's coming in our car. Come on. Come on. Well, hello, baby. Well, come on. Don't you poop on my car. It's asking for food, as you could hear. Did it come on your hand?
No.
Here, go back there and I'll... Oh, wait, what are you doing? Sit in your seat and I'll roll down your window. It wants seed. If you get some seed, it'll come. Just hold your hand out there. There he is. Did it land on your hand?
No.
Yeah, you will. Come on. Come on. Come on. Keep your hand still, buddy. Talk to it. Say, come on.
Come on.
What do you think, Logan? Is that pretty cool? He's asking for food. And it's saying hello, but you don't have no seed in your hand. That's pretty neat, huh? Oh.
Whoa, did you see how long